What's up guys, welcome back to another how-to video. Today I'm going to show you how to tie the most commonly used fishing knot, in my opinion. This is a knot that my grandpa, my dad taught me, all my friends growing up. This is like the first knot you're pretty much so ever taught fishing, so I figure I should start there. It's a very strong knot. There's reasons to use it, reasons not to use it, but if you're just starting out, this is a great knot. I don't know the strength on it, but I know that I've gotten broke off a lot and it wasn't at the knot, so I know it holds up. This knot is so common, I've even heard it referred to as the fisherman's knot. The fisherman's knot. So alright guys, enough history lessons. Let's get to tying this knot so you guys can catch more fish. Alright, so you can tie this thing on pretty much so anything. Could just be a bare hook, or your jig head, or a lure. However, for these, I recommend tying the loop knot. Just because it gives it better action, but I'm using this for purposes just because it's out. But what you want to do first off is take your line, obviously go through the eye, bring it over. I usually do 3-4 inches. Take this tag end. Tag end is always the end you're going to clip off when you're done. So take the tag end, go around once, twice, 3, 4 times, and just come right back through here. See that right there? Pull it right. See that loop? Just put the end through there. You can literally take this, pinch it on the head or the weight, start pulling it tight. Now you want to wet this knot, so I'm going to do that real quick. Once that's wet, you can just pull that down like that. There's your knot, guys. There's also a improved version of this, and I'm going to do a video on that actually right after this one. So if clip your tag end, and then boom, there you go guys. I'm going to do an improved version of this knot that's a little stronger, and I use this one's fine on like mono or fluoro, but if you get into the braided line, you definitely want to do the improved version. So I'll put a link to that up here, and I'll probably just launch both these at the same time, so you can watch both of them. But this knot with your regular fluoro or mono fishing line, if you're bringing the kids fishing, this one's good enough. Trout, bass, stuff like this really hasn't failed on me a whole lot. Now the braid will pull through. It slips more, so that's why the extra step of making it the improved fisherman's knot is beneficial. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate you. Don't forget, give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified. I hope this knot video helps you out. It hasn't done me wrong over the years, and I know many people that use it. So get out on the water, catch some fish, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Appreciate you.